In today's video, I will walk you through how to disable two-factor authentication on Bitfinex. If you no longer want to use two-factor authentication, or you're switching to a different authenticator device, Bitfinex allows you to disable this security feature from your account settings. Keep in mind that disabling two-factor authentication may put your account on a 5-day withdrawal hold. Once you're on the home page, tap your profile icon and click Security. This is where you'll find the settings for your account's security features, including two-factor authentication. Locate the two-factor authentication and select the setting to manage it. If 2FA is currently active, you'll see the option to disable or remove it. Before Bitfinex allows you to turn off two-factor authentication, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Enter the current 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app. After completing the required verification, confirm that you want to disable two-factor authentication. Bitfinex will process your request, and if everything is verified successfully, the feature will be removed from your account. If you disabled 2FA because you're changing to a new phone or Authenticator app, it's a good idea to enable it again right away using your new device. This helps ensure your account continues to have an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. And that's how to disable two-factor authentication on Bitfinex.